Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you a more efficient version of the vlookup function, index in combination with match, that I personally find much easier to remember and also much easier to use. For demonstration purposes, I just created a small tricks. We have 3 columns here: the age column, the location column, and the name column. And as an example, we want to find Peter's location via vlookup. Obviously, here we can easily see the answer. It's Hanover. But I would like to show you how to do this with a combination of index and match. We start with the equal sign. Then we type index. Then we type opening brackets. And now the first column to select is the column that contains the values that we want to return. In our case, it's the location column. So we mark column B. Now we type comma. Now we type match, opening brackets again, and now comes the uplook value, what in our case is Peter, for instance cell E2. And now we select the column that contains the values that we want to match against. In our case, it's the name column, so we select column C, comma. Now we select 0. For exact match, that's always the case. 2 closing brackets, and that's it. I show the formula again, and I just add a string symbol so that you can see the formula in the cell. So you start with index, then comes the opening brackets. Then as a first parameter comes the column that contains the values that you want to return, in our case location, comma. Then comes the match, opening brackets again. Then comes the uplook value, comma. And then comes the column that contains the values that we want to match against. In this case, it's the name column, column C, and then comes the 0. And then 2 closing brackets, and that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it.